They want to come back. Oh yeah, they miss you. They left, or somebody left, and it was, if they left you, it was to go on to somebody bigger and better, which I highly doubt. And it backfired. But I don't believe that's the case, because they are coming back so ready for you, but they haven't made the first step. They really want future commitment with you.